multiple choice question on calculus of several variables part 2, that is in this lecture we are going to discuss a question number from 11 to 20. So question number 11, if u is equal to x plus 2y and v is equal to x minus y, find the value of dA by uv by dA by xy. DA by xy. So here the value of, that is we want to determine Jacobian of xy. So dA by uv by dA by xy is equal to dA by u by dA by x, dA by u by dA by y, dA by v by dA by x, and dA by v by dA by y. So we want to evaluate a partial derivative here. DA by u by dA by x is equal to 1. DA by u by dA by y is equal to 2. Options are given. Options are 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 1 by 3, and minus 1 by 3. So dA by v by dA by x is equal to 1 and dA by v by dA by y is minus 1. So it is equal to minus 1 minus 2, it is equal to minus 3. So the value of the Jacobian is equal to minus 3. Question number 2. Evaluate an integration 11. Question number 12. Evaluate an integration minus 1 to 1, triple integration minus 1 to 1 x plus y plus z dx dy dz. So first, if we evaluate with respect to x, then it is minus 1 to 1. The integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of y with respect to x is xy, and integration of z with respect to x is xz, and the limit is from minus 1 to 1. Options are, first of all I want to write options are minus 1, 1, 0 and 2. These are the options A, B, C, D, and want to check which one is the correct option. dy dz. So if you put here upper and lower limit, then this is equal to minus 1 to 1. For upper limit it is equal to 1 by 2 plus y plus z. Okay, and for lower limit it is equal to minus 1 by 2, not minus 1 by 2, it is plus 1 by 2 since it is a square. If you put here minus 1 square is 1, so 1 by 2, then minus y and minus z dy dz. So if you see here, this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will get cancelled. Here y plus y and z plus z become twice z. So this is equal to minus 1 to 1, 2y plus 2z, okay, dy dz. Similarly, if you take these two outside, integration minus 1 to 1 y plus z dy dz. Similarly, if you compare this integration with the first integration, the x plus y plus z, it is, this term will get cancelled here. So similarly, next this y will get cancelled here. That is, if you evaluate here 2 times, the answer will be 0 here. You can directly guess here that the answer will be 0. Minus 1 to 1. Now it is y square by 2 plus yz minus 1 to 1 dz. So here if you substitute the upper and lower limit of the integration, this is equal to 2 times minus 1 to 1, 1 by 2 plus z, put y is equal to 1, minus 1 by 2 minus z dz. So here again 1 by 2 get cancelled here, and z plus z, it is equal to twice z. So this is 4 times minus 1 to 1 z dz, and integration of z is z square by 2, and the limit is from minus 1 to 1, 4 times. So this becomes 4 times 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and it is equal to what? 0. So the value of this integration is equal to 0. So correct option is what? Correct option is option number third, 0. The example number 13, if f of xy is equal to, example number 13, if f of xy equal to sin x plus cos y plus xy square, and x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t, find the value of df by dt at t is equal to pi by 2, and the options are options given are 2, -2, 1, 0. So now here we want to use the chain rule, because f is a function of x and y, f is a function of x and y, and x and y is function of t. So by using chain rule, df by dt is equal to del by f by del by x dx by dt plus del by f by del by y dy by dt, by using chain rule number 1. So del by f by del by t df by dt is equal to del by f by del by x. So del by f by del by x is equal to what? Cos x plus y square, cos x plus y square, and again dx by dt. So dx by dt is what? Minus sin t plus del by f by del by y. So del by f by del by y minus sin y plus 2xy minus sin y plus 2xy into 2xy into dy by dt. So dy by dt is what? Cos t. Dy by dt is what? Into cos t. So here the want to evaluate this derivative at t is equal to pi by 2. So if you substitute here df by dt t at what t is equal to pi by 2, then at t equal to pi by 2, what is here? X is 0, that is cos pi by 2 is 0, and y is what? 1, that is we want to put here x is 0 and y is 1. So x is 0 is what? This is cos 0. Hope you understood this, because at when t is pi by 2, x is 0, and when t is pi by 2, y is what? 1. So we want to put here x is 0 and y is 1 when we substitute t is equal to what? Pi by 2. So here cos 0 is 1 and y square is 1 and minus sin pi by 2. So sin pi by 2, t is what? Pi by 2, so it is minus 1 plus, now again y is 1, so it is what? Minus sin 1, x is 0, so this become whole term is 0, because since x is multiply here, this whole term is multiplied by 0 is 0. So the answer is what? 2 times minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So the correct option is what? Minus 2. Correct option is what? Minus 2. The next example, example number 14. What is the mixed partial derivative? What is the mixed partial derivative of f of xy is equal to twice x square plus y square, and the options are given. It's very lengthy options, but we are going to evaluate first, or I am writing here the f of xx is equal to, what is the second order mixed partial derivative we want to evaluate. So the options are given here. F of xx is equal to, the first option a is equal to 2 times twice x square plus y square minus 1 by 2 minus 4x square twice x square plus y square minus 3 by 2. So this is what f of xx. B is f of yy is equal to twice x square plus y square minus 1 by 2 minus y square twice x square plus y square minus 3 by 2. Option number C, f of xy is equal to minus 2 twice xy twice x square plus y square minus 3 by 2. And option number D, f of yx is equal to what? 0. So the mixed partial derivative is denoted by f of xy or f of yx. F of xy or f of yx are called mixed partial derivative. So these two options are not correct here. So now f of x, if you find here f of x is what? 4x. The value of this function with respect to x is what? Partial derivative of this function with respect to x is 4x, and f of derivative of this function again with respect to y is what? 0. So the correct option is what? D. F of yx is equal to f of xy is 0. Similarly, f of yx is also 0. If you find here, since f of xy is same as f of yx, what is your f of xy? F of xy is equal to twice x square plus y square. So if you find here f of y, the partial derivative with respect to y, then f of y is equal to twice y, and f of yx is equal to what? 0. So the mixed partial derivative is equal to 0. Now next, which one of the following is not bounded region? Question number 15. Which of the following is not bounded region? Is not a bounded region. So the options are given: circle, B a rectangle, then C line, and option number D triangle. So you can observe here the circle, rectangle and triangle is bounded. Okay, circle, rectangle and triangle is bounded region, but this line is not a bounded region. We can draw a line is not bounded region, and therefore the correct option is what? C. Example number 16. A region is open if the next example, a region is open if option number A, it consists entirely interior point. It consists entirely interior points. Option number B, it contains all its boundary point. It contains all its boundary points. C, it contains all its boundary points and interior points. And option number D, it does not contain interior points. It does not contain interior points. So here um, we know that we say we want to determine whether given region is open. What is the definition for region? So if you consider here this region, and then if we consider any point, this point, it is called interior point, because if we draw in small neighborhood around this point, all its points lie in that region, and therefore this point is interior point. But if you consider here point, this is called the boundary point, because if we take the intersection of this, suppose this is the region D, and if we take the intersection of this region, say X intersection D is not equal to empty, and X intersection D complement, that is this is the D complement outside exterior points, is not equal to empty set, then it is called the boundary point. And if the region consists of only interior points, then it is called open set, and if it consists of interior as well as boundary point, then it is called closed set. So the correct option is what? The option number A, that is it consists of entirely interior points, then we call it is open set. Next, example number 17. What is the value of integration -1 to 1 dx dy? And the options are given 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one is the correct option? So first of all, if we, since both limits are constant here, we can evaluate this integration directly. Dx -1 to 1, sorry, this is what, dx dy, which is equal to integration of dx is x, integration of y is minus y, by using Fubini's first theorem. So it is 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 2, and 1 minus 1 is 2. So 2 into 2 is what? 4. So the correct option is what? 4. Next, example number 18. The differential of z is denoted by, example number 80, the differential of z is denoted by option number A, delta z, option number B, dz, option number C, this by using delta z, and option number D is what? A delta z. So the correct option is what? By using this symbol we can denote a differential of the function. Now next, increment function is also called increment. So now this next example, the second order partial derivative of f of xy is second order partial derivative of f of xy is equal to thrice x plus 2y raised to 4, and the options are very, the first option is what? Option number A. It's very lengthy option. I am going to evaluate here directly the second order partial derivative. So first, f of x is equal to 4 times thrice x plus 2y raised to 4 into, again, derivative of this term with respect to x is 3, so it is 12 times thrice x plus 2y raised to 4. Again, if we evaluate here f of xx, then it is equal to, again, this is what? 36 times 3x, sorry, here 3 not 4, power get decreased by 1, 3 thrice x plus 2y raised to what? 2. This is what? F of xx. So what is f of y? F of y is equal to 4 times thrice x plus 2y into raised to 3 into derivative of this term with respect to y is 2. So this is 8 times thrice x plus 2y raised to 3, and f of yy is equal to 8 times 3, that is 24, thrice x plus 2y raised to 2 into again derivative of 2 is what 2. So here this is equal to 24 into 2 is 48, thrice x plus 2y raised to 2. Here is here we want to make correction. This is not correct. I am going to evaluate again. So what is here? F of x, f of x is equal to, what is f of x? F of x is equal to um, I am writing first f of xy here. So f of xy is equal to thrice x plus 2y raised to 4. So f of x is equal to 4 times thrice x plus 2y and again raised to 3 into derivative of this thrice x plus 2y. So is what? 3. So this is 12 times thrice x plus 2y raised to 3. Again if we evaluate the derivative with respect to x again, so f of xx is equal to 12 times 3 is 36, thrice x plus 2y raised to 2 into again derivative is what? Thrice x plus 2y is what? 3. So here f of xx is equal to 36 times 3 is what? 108, thrice x plus 2y raised to 2. So this is f of xx, and what is f of yy? F of yy is 20, f of y is 48 times, f of yy is equal to 48 times thrice x plus 2y raised to 2. So the correct option is what? Option number D. Option number D is the correct option. Then example number 19, the area, example number 20, the area of the region bounded by x is by the lines x is equal to 0, y equal to twice x and y equal to 4 is, and given options are 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the area of the region bounded by these lines? So here if we consist of here y equal to twice x, so for y equal to twice x, if we consider some point here x and y, if x is 0, y is 0, if y is 4, then x is 2. So the say here x is 4, y is 2, okay, this is y equal to say 1 1 here 1, if x is what, y is, if we take one more point, x is 1, then y is 2, x is 1, okay, here x is 1, y is 4, and y is 4, then x is 2 here, sorry, something, y is 4, then x is 2. So here if we draw this region here, I am writing this again. Okay, now consider y equal to twice x. So x, y, x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 2, if x is 2, y is 4. So if we draw these points on xy plane, then we get, say this is x axis, y axis, so the region bounded by x is 0, so on this line x is 0 on y axis, then y equal to 4, so this is y equal to 4, say here y equal to 4, then next point is x is 0, y is 0, for x is 1, y is 2, say here y is 2, okay, and then x is 2, then y is 4, okay. So if we draw this line, we get this is the closed region, and if we consider a vertical line, then it enters at y equal to twice x and it leaves at y equal to 4, and such a line we are going to vary from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 here. This point is what? 2 here. You can see here x is equal to 2. So 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, and twice x less than or equal to y less than or equal to 4, and therefore the area is equal to, what is the area? Area is equal to double integration dA. So this is equal to what? 0 to 2, the limit of x is 0 to 2, and limit of y is twice x to 4, dy dx. So the integration of dy is equal to y from twice x to 4 dx, and this is equal to integration 0 to 2 4 minus twice x dx, and it is equal to the integration of 4 with respect to x is 4x, and integration of twice x with respect to x is x square by 2, and the limit is from 0 to 2. This 2 will get cancelled here, and it is 8 minus 4, which is equal to what? 4. So the value of the area of region bounded by these lines is what? 4. The correct option is what? D.